people of the planet! Samara Kaja, illustrator, here to show you some quick and easy ways you can create your own original illustrations. I know, you may think you cannot draw, you may think you have to do an online search for imagery that most likely belongs to someone else. We don't want to do that. So I'm going to show you how you can just use your smartphone, your computer, and your Wacom One to create a fun illustration that we're going to put on a t-shirt. Let's do it now! I have a really cool rotary telephone that I'm going to take a couple of photographs of, and I'm going to morph those together into a fun illustration. Now that I have my two photographs of the rotary phone imported into my computer, I'm going to bring them into Illustrator and do a nice loose drawing of them together. And the great thing about this is you don't have to be perfect. If you want, you can be more accurate. The great thing about a phone is that it's an easily identifiable shape. Now that I have the base done, I am going to bring the receiver over. So my idea was to have the receiver floating. I will go in and treat it the same way. So I'll go in with that same line, weight, and color that I had before. Just really roughly and quickly draw around the receiver. Okay, I think I have what I want, and the same way I treated the base, I'm going to just move the photograph out of the way and double check that everything is pretty much the way I want it. I think that looks good. And for the cord, because I knew I was going to basically do this combo image, I'm going to draw the coiled cord freehand just to connect the two parts of the phone together. Now what I'm going to do is I want to color in the phone. And again, you don't have to be accurate. This is just a fun way of doing a nice quick fill, and it gives a little bit of energy when it's a little wonky and off-center. You can make it loose. I think that works. Now I'm going to add in some fun wording. I always like to write the letters out in parts so I can kind of gauge where they will land positioning wise, and then I can adjust them later. And it's always good to draw your speech bubble after. Okay, there we have it. I think this looks good. I'm a professional illustrator, so I typically work on the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24, but as you saw, you can just as easily do this project on the more affordable Wacom One creative display. All you need is your phone, your computer, and your Wacom One, which is perfectly sketchbook sized. Wacom One allows you to draw directly on screen and is Wacom's lowest price pen display. You can even connect Wacom One to some Android devices so you can draw on the go. And hey, check it out! Here's our finished design on a t-shirt. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. I don't know what to do. We're done drawing, we're done drawing. What we're drawing next, what we're doing next, what we're doing.